Hello everyone, my name is Victor Jaramillo. This is the 12th of the 16th of the 6th, 2019, and this is for the C10 for the Reno the circus. Okay, so right now we have the array name and we have it as 2. So and then we set up the array name as an output in order for to output the codes and everything to the second in the Areno. You know what I mean when we went to the device for a second, and then we're gonna loop the turning on the LED for a second and turn it back turning it off by a second. Okay, so going here and seeing this part right here where the 2 is. This is the connection of the 2. Unfortunately, it has been damaged, and if once we connect it to this part right here to the transition, and the transition has these 2 cables, the red one and the orange one. The orange one is connected to the negative. The red one, it's connected to the device right here. It's connected to the device right here, but also connected to the positive thanks to this device right here. And there's a small, just tiny little cable you can barely see right here that is connected to the Dido. Don't know how this thing's called, but Dido. I'm gonna call it Dido. And then and it's connected to this blue cable right here. It's its transmission to the negative, transmitting the volt to here to the negative to this one, and bringing this one right here to this red LED for it to turn on. Now once we connect this part right here, you're going to see that this device is going to make a clicking sound. This device is going to make a clicking sound to cut off the voltage and for the red one, and sending the voltage to the green one. Also, by the way, this thing needs power, so I have this yellow cable right here connected to the positive energy. It has a little tiny reason in order to turn on this thing on. And then we have the 2 resistors for the LED, and transferring to these 2 orange cables right here is transferring the positive and negative to this ones over here, these 2 red ones and this orange one right here. And we have the power cords that's connected to the 5 voltage at the edge and for the negative. So once we connect this right here, oh, come on. Come on. If we can just. There we go. Now finally make this work, because if you did not recognize that I am missing a device from here, and that device is a resistor where the orange cable was supposed to where the orange cable is now. The reason why for that is because, well, this thing apparently doesn't have really well voltage, apparently. It doesn't have that much really well of voltage. So instead of switching to the resistor, here's the resistor of the power supposed to be right here. It just doesn't work. It doesn't really work. So instead, the only thing I just did is just remove it and put it right there, and then it started working. The only thing that it really happened, it was just a red light just staying there and not leaving enough voltage to this thing to have enough voltage in order for it to work properly. So that's the only reason I remove it. Was a risky move, yes, but it made it work, so what does it matter now? So thank you everyone so much for watching. I'll see you later.